Hello Philippines and hello world. I'm Erica Evangelista, 19 years old from the Philippines, and have a question to the first South African Managing Director of the World Bank. Hi Mampela Rampella, I'm your number one fan. The subprime mortgage crisis is an ongoing real estate and financial crisis triggered by a dramatic rise in mortgage delinquencies and foreclosures in the United States, with major adverse consequences for banks and financial markets around the globe. And sadly, my country is very affected by this problem that makes life harder for us. My question is the banking industry is stronger or really on its critical level? Thank you.